Welcome back. Our first task in building the library management system is to define the core data structure, the book class. We will use this class to demonstrate encapsulation by making our attributes protected and controlling access to them using property decorators. 1. Defining the protected attributes. We start by initializing the core attributes, title, author, and ISBN. We are using the Python convention of a single underscore prefix, like underscore title, to mark them as protected. We also add underscore is underscore available to track the book status, defaulting to true. This is the data hiding part of encapsulation. 2. Implementing the getter for title. To provide read-only access to the protected underscore title, we define a method called title and decorate it with @property. This allows external code to access the title as if it were a regular attribute, but internally it calls this method. 3. Implementing the setter for author. For attributes we want to allow modification for, like author, we define a standard getter using @property and then a corresponding setter method using the @author.setter decorator. Crucially, the setter allows us to add validation logic, ensuring the new underscore author is not empty. This control is the core benefit of encapsulation. 4. Utility method. Finally, we add a simple utility method, get_details, to easily retrieve a formatted string of the book's information. Notice how we use the public properties self.title and self.author when available and directly access the protected underscore ISBN and underscore is underscore available from within the class. To summarize, we have a robust book class ready. Our next lecture 21.03, Create Library Class. See you there.